Now I have one drawing here wherein it is good and better for some exercise regarding SolidWorks 3D part. So I have here my isometric view, the right side view, and the top view. So from here, I can analyze the drawing first on the isometric. Then it's better to start the drawing on the top view. So all the dimensions are given here, as well as the global variables wherein is given as A, B, and C. So the dimension is given from here, A, B, C, and D. So I will open my SolidWorks. So at first, let me check the dimension of letter B. So letter B is 50 millimeters. 50 millimeters. So I'll open the SolidWorks. I'll start my drawing on the top view, sketch. I'll start at the origin. So from here, dimensions will be 50. Again, let me check the drawing. So that is 50 millimeters diameter. Then I will just draw the profile. Creating a line from here. So let me check again the drawing. So I have here this point. Then start dimensioning. So this is 65. So I can add some relations here with this line. So this line and this line, it should be equal. And this line here, as well as the other line here, should be equal. So it is automatically adjusted. So what is this length? So let's check it on the lab sheet. So this length will be 20. Okay, 20. So this one, can write it as 20 here. Then the other length you have here as 45. Okay, 45. So it is similar to the other one. So we can make it equal. This one. So you can press the shift button or the control button here in making or adding some relations. So from this point, I can offset my drawing inside. Can offset my drawing by 10. Okay. So this is 10 millimeter offsetting. Inside. So where's that offset? Offset entities. This one. Make it reverse. Check this. Offset. As well as the other one. Offset this one. Make it reverse. So it will be inside. Then let me connect my line here. The end. Another line. Let's check some additional dimensions given on the problem. So we have here this distance as 40. Okay. So you can see from this point up to the other is 40 millimeters. So let's keep this dimension as 40. So if some dimension is disturbing you, then we can delete some of the relations. So this one can delete. And let's try giving some dimensions now. Start dimension. This one is 40. And make this equal to the other one. So click this line, hold the control button, select this, make it equal. So if that is disturbing you, some of the relations are need to be removed. So we can make it equal again. From this point, press the control key. It's done. Then connect it by one line from here up to here. So here I have now my internal drawing. So now I'm ready to extrude this one. So to extrude this, I can go to the right side view. Let's check the thickness of this. Okay, so if we can analyze here, so the distance between this line and the center point of the circle is 20. So the full length is 40 millimeters. So we can extrude it by 40. So let's try to extrude it by 40. We can select the contours, select this one. And this circle here. So if we will check, we have some distance here, the distance D. That is 80, okay? That is 80 millimeters, this distance from the end, so from the right side view. So we will extrude that circle up to this point, 80. So 80 means from this point, the end of this circle is how much? This is 30, okay? So 30, and this is 40, so 70, and this is 10. So from the middle of this, this is 20. We extruded it from here, right? So from here on the other side, we can extrude it here by 10. This is 10 millimeter, and the rest is 70. The rest is 70. So how to demonstrate that in SolidWorks? I can go to my sketch again. Edit sketch. So you see this one. So this circle, we can extrude it 10 millimeters down and 70 millimeters above. So we can use the same sketch. Extruded boss or base. So selected contours. So we can use these selected contours. So click this box, then select this one. On this case, there are direction option here, direction 1 as blind extrusion. Make it 70. And you have here the direction 2. Put a tick mark on this. So on other direction, we need a 10 millimeters offset. Select this green check mark, and you can use this. And then on top, you have here the diameter given, okay? The diameter and the distance. So the next circle will be 16 millimeters extruded from the top of the other circle, given the radius as C. So what is C? C is 35. So from this face, sketch circle. So the radius is 35 divided by 2. Okay, that is 17.5. So this is the radius. Then we need to extrude it into a 16 millimeters length. From here, we need another circle. So we need to draw on this face, sketch. Let's check the dimension on the sheet. So this is the last one. So the diameter is 20. The diameter is 20 and it is extruded cut all through. Okay, so the diameter is 20. Let's go to SolidWorks. From here, another circle. And the radius is 10. Once you are done, select the screen check mark, then go to features, extruded cut. Change the direction through all, okay, through all. So until the bottom, select the screen check mark, and that's it, okay. Then we have one more circle here on the other side, on this face. So as you can see, you have here the 20 millimeters distance with a 12 millimeters radius. So from the bottom. So from here, from this space, I will do my sketch. Press Ctrl 8 to make it normal too. So just draw one circle having a radius of 6. The diameter is 12. Then smart dimension from the center up to here. You have 20 here. Press enter. Select this green check mark. Go to features, extruded cut. Extruded cut, we will cut this all through, okay, up to the end. So select the correct option. The end condition must be through all. Select this green check mark, and both sides are cut, as you can see. And there is one additional portion here. This arc, okay, this arc here. So let's say this arc radius is 70. So 70 millimeters, the radius of this arc, and at the end of this drawing. So how to do that one? So from here, I'll go for sketch, Ctrl 8. So just draw one arc. Choose the correct option, which is a, let's say 3-point arc. This is my first point. This is my second point. And something like this, the third point. And you can do the smart dimensioning of this arc into 70. So from 70, select this green check mark. You can extrude it. Features, extrude boss. Wait. So from here, so I have one arc. So it should be a closed figure here. So upon drawing this arc, we need to add one more line to close that arc here. Select this green check mark. Then it is now ready for extrusion. So extrude that one. This on reverse side. So select this green check mark to do it on the other side. And then through all, select this green check mark. And we can cut this at last, okay? So how to cut this? So from this point, sketch. And then Control 8, press Control 8 to make it normal to make a rectangle from this point up to the other side. So it is better to use an option of 3-point corner rectangle. So this is my first point, this is my second point, and lastly, I have here my last point. Select this green check mark and go to Features, Extruded Cut, Through All. Select this green check mark and that's it. So it is cut. Now from here, apply your material. So different views. So top view, isometric view, dimetric, trimetric. So here we can select isometric view first so that we can analyze our drawing properly. So from here, the isometric view, you can go to material. What is the material required for this part? This is cast stainless steel with a density of 0.0077 grams per cubic millimeter. So cast stainless steel. So let's check on it. So material, right click, edit material. Cast stainless steel. Cast stainless steel. This one. Cast stainless steel. So we have here the correct mass density. Apply, close. And that's it. So evaluate. Get the mass properties. So the mass property is 1912.26 grams. So that's it. So we've completed another part in SolidWorks.